There are two types of travelers, those who simply pass through a place and those who seek to become a part of it, embracing adventures along the way. We are definitely the second one.
Yeah, baby! I've never thought I would be doing that in Lombok. Damn. That's crazy, man!
We landed on this beautiful island of Lombok and head straight to our hotel to drop off our bags because we already have an adventure waiting for us. For $15 you get a place like this, and it's pretty decent. The room is really nice and there's a beautiful view. There's a pool right there. There's a beautiful ocean view in front. Today's a little bit cloudy. We gotta go meet our friend Nabil and explore Lombok with him. He's an amazing FPV pilot, so let's explore Lombok. Riding motorbike is the best way to explore a country. You get to see things that are real, raw, and it's beautiful. We rode for 30 minutes to meet up with our local friend who's going to take us to a hidden gem. Riding in Indonesia, you gotta have serious skills because oftentimes you'll be riding on a hiking trail or bumpy roads, but that's what makes it super fun and adventurous.
Off-roading on the NMAX, not the best idea. Oh my god! Yeah, baby! My man Nabil brought me to the best spot in Lombok. He's a legend of Lombok, man. Look at this place.
It was refreshing to see a beautiful place with absolutely no tourists and breathtaking views all around us. The wind was crazy. The waves were huge. Just a couple of hours after landing in Lombok, we are already exploring. And it was definitely a great start to our journey.
This is unreal, man! Look at that. Drone is struggling because the wind is crazy. That was a crazy flight. It was worth coming here. Good morning from Lombok, guys. We woke up super early and we were trying to find breakfast, but it's very hard to find breakfast because right now I don't see any other foreigners. We are deep in the local territory and right in the center of Lombok. So from our hotel, we rode like an hour plus to find this little warung. Having my coffee. The plan for today is we're gonna explore some secret, hidden, beautiful beaches and get some really nice FPV shots. My friend Nabil is gonna take us and he's a local here. He's a local FPV pilot. It's gonna be a good day. It was cloudy, but the sun just came out and now it's absolutely beautiful. So can't wait to go. So now we're refueling up and after that, we get on our adventure. Are you ready for the adventure today?
Yes.
Another day of off-roading in Lombok, ladies and gentlemen. We are heading to the second location. We're heading to the first location of the day. Yeah, that's a real adventure. Never thought I'd be doing it with the NMAX, but here we are. My passenger princess here behind me. Oh my God. Hey girl, you like flowers? Plenty of flowers here for you. We're almost there, and the weather condition is just perfect. I wouldn't be able to find this spot if it wasn't for my friend Nabil. Huge shout out to him. Follow him on Instagram. Yo.
But you need to
Look at what the no. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna crash my drone, man. It's crazy. Oh my god, the water is so blue. It's so beautiful here, man.
Lombok is an island with beautiful cliffs and coastline, and my friend brought me to one of the most beautiful isolated hidden gems, and it's really a dream for an FPV pilot. But the wind here was no joke. I was actually having a hard time controlling my drone.
The wind is crazy strong. Having a hard time. Couldn't believe it. The wind is really crazy. My friend managed to hit that gap that I wanted to hit, but I didn't have enough balls, because if you come at the wrong time and a wave hits, this is the only drone I have. Really beautiful place. It kind of reminds me of Diamond Beach. Now we're heading to the next spot. We're off to the next location. This creature is hidden in the forest. Oh, it's so windy! Alright, here we go! We're gonna go check out the lighthouse. Wow, it's so nice, man! The wind is other side, to my right side, so it's a bit, I can see the struggle. I can do this line again, bro. Right at the cliff. Beautiful.
This marks the end of our Lombok adventure, but we are just getting started because our next destination is amazing. Stick around and I'll catch you in the next one.